Hey y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? It's your girl, Royal Lily, and I is back with another video. I've been feeling under the weather for this whole week. I had the flu, not COVID. Because I can't be regular sick in times like this. People always assume me have COVID. I don't have no COVID. Okay, I have the regular flu. I had the regular symptoms, whatnot, and that's that. But I feel like I'm recovering, so that is great. Because if it worsened and I start feeling all types of way, then I would have to go to the hospital. But no, your girl is, I don't know, feel myself with this one. Like, how you doing? I'm gonna show you guys the slippers and the bag I always wanted. But skirt, before we get into that, I am having a weekend sale on Tuesday. It'll be Our Country, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. We'll be celebrating our 41 years of independence. I'm not sure how independent are we or how free are we, but we'll be celebrating 41 years of independence. So for the entire weekend, we're gonna be having a 30% off sale. Some may say, why not 41? Let's not stretch it. We're gonna be having a 30% off sale all weekend long, and it will be lasting until Wednesday. So get into that. Do not miss the sale, because y'all already know. There will be a code for the online sale. I will insert it here. And there will be no code for persons in St. Vincent. Your 30% off will already be applied. So yeah. Y'all, so what I'm going to show you guys is two of my gifts that I got for my birthday. The next vlog that I'm going to upload, I have to edit it. It's my birthday weekend, so you get to see all fun and all the good stuff. This item, right? I saw what is in here. I saw a little backstory. One day I was scrolling Facebook, and Facebook have like literally all kind of ads. That's how they catch people to spend what they don't have. So I was like, I saw the bag. I was like, this bag is so freaking cute. I was like, I have to have this. And then when I clicked, it was sold out. I was like, ugh, go figure. Then I saw the price. I was like, Usually I do not spend that amount of money on one item. It was like $189. I was like, oh God, but I need it. So it was a Von Dutch bag. Then after that, it's like so many people, so many celebrities. I started seeing in it. I was like, okay. But I did not know that Von Dutch was a brand from back in the day. I saw a comment and I was like, somebody said, oh, Von Dutch making a comeback. I was like, come back. But little did I not know, Von Dutch was a brand in the 90s or before that and way before that. I didn't do my research, but anyways, I was just interested in the bag. But anyways, I was like, I have to have it. Okay? And like literally everywhere I go, I start seeing this bag. I was like, it's calling my name. So over my birthday weekend, my cousin, and I was like, I need the slippers. I said if I get the bag, I'm gonna need the slippers. Because why not? So for my birthday weekend, my cousin got me this. Okay, alright. My cousin got me this. When I tell y'all, it is so soft. It is so comfortable. Like, oh gosh. Yeah, I was like, I freaked out when I got these. They're so cute. Like, these were like 89. Oh, I could be lying, but it's probably what I'm excited about is this bag. So you guys are getting the first reaction. Like, why not? I get so crazy about gifts, like, y'all don't even understand.
So my friend got me a gift card to get this, a $200 gift card. I was like, yeah. I was like, no way. And it's like, at the same time, I was like, they can't give me such an expensive gift. I was like, what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 5 of them. I was like, this is such an expensive gift. I was like, they didn't have to. Like, in my mind, I was really freaking out. I said, but anyways, let me enjoy it. This is something they wanted to give me. Doesn't know about it, so I'm just gonna accept it. Thank you girls so much. I love you guys. Yeah, I'm literally the best. Girl gang. So anyways, yeah. So the day, this is like a story time all at once. So they were supposed to restart October 25th. So I was like, oh my goodness, I'm not sleeping that day because I need the bag. So one night I was on my bed. I was like, let me check to see if they're gonna put the time. Like, who does that? So something just literally told me check to see if they're gonna put the time. I kid you not. I saw a cat next to the bag. No soul outside, nothing. This was me. I tell her like, listen, like literally freaking out. My cousin could tell it. I was freaking out. I was like, it was stuck. It was stuck. Then the shipping was like $15 and change. It went overboard. So he told I come up to $204. We was not getting through. I tried to do the four-way payment. That was not working. I was like, it is not meant to be. We was there trying for like 30 minutes or more. I was like, okay, I'm going to bed. If it's meant to be, it is. If it's not, I'm gonna just wait until October 25th if it's sold out. So I said, I'm gonna DM them, end up DMing them, explaining my situation and asking for a discount code. The next month, they DM me and told me, they DM me back, which was cool, and told me to DM such and such, email such and such. But I had already got a text from this lady saying, oh, she saw, my cars were abandoned and stuff like that, and if I like a discount code. I was like, yes, please. Then she sent me 5%, and it came down to $190 something. So here I am with this gorgeousness. So thank you, Van Dutch, for the code. It is appreciated.
So here goes, and keep in mind it's a small, they call it the bowling bag, so it's pretty, I'm expecting it to be small, so you guys are getting the first, you know, Shane Bang.
Let me try it for me. I like it. I see it for me. Okay. So it came in a, what they call these bags. Oh, I mean, it's a price we're paying. Oh my god. Oh, it came in a Van Dutch duster bag. You guys, they call it? I think so. So it came in this.
I'm gonna show you guys first.
I like it.
Okay. Honestly, it's the dramatics for me. Look at my face. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I have to tone this down. So here she is. It is fluffy just like the slippers. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Y'all see it or no? So this is she. Like, it's the material for me. So soft. So soft. This is she in all her glory. As you guys know, it's a small bag. We get a strap in here. You know, in case we want to wear it like that. Because I mostly will not. For the price, I hope it lasts long. And I hope the material keeps up. Because, chair, this is her. This is her. I hope y'all are seeing. This is she. Hi. So yes, it's a small bag. Small bags are what's in there. I'm gonna turn on the light because I don't feel like editing it. So yeah, this is her. I'm in love. Y'all see the vibes. You see the vibes. So this is it. I'm in love. It's so soft. Like so soft. My baby. Anyways, that's about it. I just wanted to open my Versace for you guys. My cute little bowling bag. And yeah, you guys could see. Also, in my previous video, I also showed you guys how I set up my ring light. So please go check that out. It's the NEEWER ring light. Let me know what you like most about this video. And yeah, let me know how you guys feel about my bag or my slippers, you know. Let me know if you like it or if it's your style, something you will wear. And yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for rocking with me. We're still on the road to 1K. Don't let your girl down. Follow all my social media pages. And yeah, thank you guys so much. And I love and appreciate y'all. Bye.